Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Trello with Google Calendar, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your computer and navigate to your web browser. Go to the Trello website and log into your account. Select the board that you want to connect with Google Calendar. In the top menu, click on Show Menu on the right side. In the menu, select Power UPS. In the Power UPS section, you will see a search bar. Type Calendar into the search bar and hit Enter. Locate the Calendar power-up from the list of results. Click Add to enable the Calendar power-up for your board. Once added, click on Settings next to the Calendar power-up. You will see an option to enable iCalendar feed. Click on the Enable button to activate the iCalendar feed. A link will appear that you will need for Google Calendar. Copy the iCalendar feed link by clicking on the copy icon. Now, open a new tab and navigate to Google Calendar. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. On the left-hand side, find the Other Calendars section. Click on the plus icon next to Other Calendars. From the drop-down menu, select From URL. In the dialog, click on the Add Calendar button. Google Calendar will now sync with your Trello board. Wait a few moments for the process to complete. You should see your Trello tasks appear in your Google Calendar. Return to your Google Calendar and check that the events are showing correctly. Adjust your calendar settings if necessary to customize the view. Now your Trello tasks are seamlessly connected to your Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.